Using the Wireframe Components panel, we can drag out a vertical scroll bar. Let's actually make that a little bit larger. And you can also adjust the width of it a little bit too. OK. So with that scroll bar dragged out, it automatically is rigged to control that data list. OK. So let's modify this so that we make this the default state so that we can immediately jump into this when we run the program. And let's run. So there. Now if I actually select the different items, you see that each one of those items is represented as a unique object. Now that I've added that scroll bar, because the scroll bar is a pre-built component, I've placed it inside of my data list. It automatically is used to control the display of those objects. Let's go back into Flash Catalyst and make one modification to show how flexible the data list can be. I'm going to double-click into the data list so that we're now inside the Edit and Place mode. If you remember, I said that that graphic was going to eventually be a bitmap. Right now, though, it's a vector graphic, and a vector graphic can't be accessed in the Design Time Data panel. I'm going to continue to double-click into this so that I'm now inside of that original reference item that we first created. I'm going to select that placeholder that was meant to be a bitmap. If you notice, this is a rectangle, meaning that it's a vector object. I can convert this or rasterize it into a bitmap using Flash Catalyst. So with it selected, let's optimize our artwork and rasterize. With it now rasterized, I now have the option of adding this into the Design Time Data dataset. The heads-up display makes it really easy for me to do this. I have a new option here called Design Time Data. Add image to Design Time Data, and I can click this. If I go all the way back out to the top level of my application and select my data list, you'll now see that I have image 1 and also the text. I can continue to add additional text items or bitmap graphics to my repeated item here to modify the Design Time Data. You can also remove items from Design Time Data as well, doing the same process. So with this, the Design Time Data panel gives you tons of flexibility in how you can customize a data list. The data list is far more powerful than what it looks like. It's much more powerful than just a list of text items. The data list is great for when you want to build navigational elements, menu controls, or if you want to display tons of repeated information as we have here. We can create all kinds of interactions based on specific items selected, and then drive specific actions based on the data list component. In the next few videos, we're going to introduce the timeline. The timeline allows me to choreograph how I want things to move, resize, or animate as I move from state to state.